everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could solve the problem of 100% RAM usage. So you are starting your computer, you still didn't start working yet, and you see that you cannot use your computer. You open your task manager and you realize that your computer is having 100% memory usage. This problem might be related to different issues. The first one is the Windows update. So let's check. The first thing which we could check, we could go to our updates and check if there are any updates ongoing. So here I have no updates ongoing. If you have an update ongoing, just let computer finish, and once done, the problem shouldn't be happening anymore. So in this case, I don't have it. I will go and check why I'm having 100% RAM usage. You open the processes, you click on the RAM column so that the system brings up the applications which are consuming the RAM. So here I have multiple ones and I can disable one by one. So check the applications. For example, you have, let's say I have opened Word and it will be running in the background. So here we have Word. If I want to end task, since I'm not using Word, you just click end task and this should finish it, and you might see the memory improving. If after disabling some of the applications or ending them it didn't work, I will invite you to go to the startup and to disable some of the softwares. These softwares are set up to start when my computer turns on. Hence, many of them I do not need them to start when I'm just starting computer. So I will go ahead, select, click disable, and click disable, and click again disable. I'm just disabling them so they don't start when my computer turns on. But if I want to use them, I still can go click on the application icon. It will run the application as normal. And once I turn on my computer, they will not restart again. You have to go again to the icon and click to have it opened. If after all of this tentatives you're still unable to get the RAM performance better, or you still get 100% RAM usage, I will invite you to upgrade your RAM, your physical memory, and also your hard disk to an SSD. Why? Because I have been trying and I have been having this issue for quite good time, and every time disabling softwares, disabling applications, stopping updates, but in sometimes it didn't really improve. So what I did, I just upgraded my hard disk from a normal standard hard disk to an SSD, and I have also upgraded my RAM from 4 gigabit to 12 gigabit, and now I can run softwares and it runs smoothly, and as you can see, I'm not having any more 100% disk usage. If you still don't want to upgrade the RAM, you can go ahead with Advanced Investigation and click Open Resource Monitor and check in your resource monitors all the applications related to the memory and try to disable some of them. However, please note that some of the applications, you might not be able to disable them because they are system critical. So if it's the case, then it's better just to upgrade the RAM and hard disk to an SSD. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always share this video with your friend. You can always click like or dislike if you didn't like this video. And if you would like further support, just subscribe and we will do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in our new video tutorial.